In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your name in Zoho Meeting. This is especially useful if you joined a meeting with the wrong display name, you're using a shared device, or you simply want to update how others see you during a call. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're already in an active Zoho Meeting session. You can only change your name from within a meeting, not from the home or dashboard screens. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the participants section. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the right side of your screen, or you may see a small icon that looks like a group of people along the edge or bottom of the window. Click to open the participants list. This panel shows everyone who is currently in the meeting, including you. Sometimes, if there are many people, you might need to scroll to find your own name, so take a moment to locate it. It will usually be near the top, and it may be labeled clearly as you or something similar. Once you've found your name in the participants list, move your mouse over it. You should see an options menu appear next to your name. This is often represented by 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow. If you don't see it right away, hover your cursor over your name for a second or two. It may appear only when you move your mouse over that area. Click on this options menu next to your name. A small menu will open with several choices related to your participant settings. From that menu, look for the option labeled Rename. This is the control Zoho Meeting gives you to change how your name appears to everyone else in the meeting. Go ahead and select Rename. A new dialog box or small window will pop up on your screen. Inside this box, you'll see a field where your current display name is shown. Click inside that field, then delete or backspace over the existing name so you can type in your new one. Now carefully enter your new name. This might be your full name, your first name only, or a professional display name that your team recognizes. It's a good idea to check your spelling and capitalization here. This is what other participants will see, so make sure it looks the way you want. Take a brief moment to review what you've typed. When you're happy with your new name, look for the Save button in that same dialog box. Click Save to confirm the change. As soon as you do this, your name in the participants list will update, and everyone in the meeting will now see your new display name. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a second or two, or briefly close and reopen the participants list to refresh the view. You can repeat this process anytime during the meeting if you need to adjust your name again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your name in Zoho Meeting right from within an active session.